everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lena Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I have another mini album tip for you, and that is making explosion boxes that are also mini albums. So you may know this project as an explosion box, but I've turned it into an explosion box mini album so you can fit lots of photos in there. So you have a 12 by 4 piece of paper, and we're going to score it at 4 and 8, and then we're going to do the same thing with another piece. This is a faster and a little bit different way to make the explosion box. It's very simple. We're just going to apply some glue to one of the folded papers in the center, in the bottom of the center of the fold piece. We're going to apply some glue and then attach it to the center of the other folded piece. These are the pages. We're going to apply glue to the bottom of that little flap that we made. And I always like to use liquid glue for these projects because I can move the paper to its place before it dries. And we're going to align it to the left side of that center square. Then we're going to apply some glue to the next page, and we're going to align the fold with the end of the flap of the first page. And then we're just going to continue doing the same thing with all the other pages. We're going to align the fold of that little flap with the edge of the flap of the previous page that is already glued to the box. So you have all the pages here ready, and all we need to do now is cover them. Okay, so now all my pages are ready. So now we're going to bring the lid piece, and then you need to cover it, of course, with your cover papers, and then your explosion box mini album is ready. You have the full tutorial in the description under the video. There is a link there. Just click on that, and then you can go ahead and see all the steps and get the measurements and the cutting guide. And our next mini album explosion box is really pretty. This one has pages inside. The other one has interactive mechanisms and also pages on the sides and a lot of hearts to add. So it's another really special mini album explosion box, so you can make it. So basically what we're going to do is start scoring. We need 3 cardstocks. So we're going to start with the larger one, and we're going to score it at 4 and then at 8 inches, and then we're going to turn it 90 degrees and repeat it, score at 4 and 8 again. So basically we're creating a grid of 9 squares. Now we're going to make hearts. So I'm going to take a 4 by 4 cardstock, fold it in half, and make a heart template that we can use to make the hearts on all 4 corners of the box. So this is how the outside of the box will look. So you don't see the hearts when it closed, but then when you open it, then you see the hearts, and it's really cool. Then we can go ahead and attach it to our box. The way we're going to attach it is simply by applying glue to the back side of the center square. See that it works? Yes. So I'm going to bring my cover papers. So then apply glue and cover all 4 corners. So our other mini album explosion heart box is taking shape. This is how it looks with all the interactive pages in it. Again, you have the full tutorial in the description under the video, so you can go ahead and grab it. And I really hope you like this tip for combining mini albums and explosion box in one project. It's really, really fun. And just go ahead and check out the tutorials. Thank you very much for joining me. I really hope you like this one. And I will see you next time.